These fruit bed ASMR videos are going absolutely insane right now. We're talking single videos casually pulling 50 million views like it's nothing. Yeah, 50 million. And I know what you're thinking. ASMR is oversaturated, or I need some crazy expensive setup to make this work. Wrong. Dead wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these exact videos. Completely free. $0. Zip. So do not skip a single step because every single one matters. Let's get into it. To make this type of ASMR video, you're going to need what I call the master prompt. And trust me, this thing is different. It's highly specific and it delivers results that are genuinely incredible. You'll find the full master prompt down in the description. Go ahead and copy the entire thing. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit send. ChatGPT is now going to hand you 10 fruit bed ideas. Watermelon, orange, a whole lineup of different fruits. If nothing's jumping out at you, just type more and it'll keep the fresh ideas coming. For this video, I'm going with the dragon fruit bed. You can either type the number or just copy the text directly and paste it right into the prompt box, exactly like I'm doing right now. Hit send. ChatGPT will now generate a very detailed image prompt built specifically for image generation. Copy the entire prompt, don't miss a word, and head over to Google Flow AI. Select image generation mode, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, choose your number of outputs, select Nano Banana 2, paste in your prompt, and hit send. Give it a moment, and look at that. Your image is generated, and honestly, it looks incredible, hyper-realistic, exactly like I expected. Pick your favorite image, then head back to ChatGPT. Now we need the video prompt. Just type video prompt and hit send. ChatGPT will generate another super detailed prompt. This one controls the overall motion and ASMR impact of your video. Copy the entire thing and make sure you get every single part of it. Head back to Google Flow AI, click on your image, and hit animate. Paste the full video prompt into the prompt box and hit send. It takes less than a minute, and there it is. Look at that quality. The camera angle, the motion. Honestly, it doesn't get better than this. Download it at the highest resolution available. Here are some more videos I made using this exact same method. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to AI Zentra so you never miss a thing. And hey, drop a comment and tell me which niche I should cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.